How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. Hello guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, wait a few seconds. Scroll until you find Messenger. Click on it. It will take you directly to the app informations page. Or what you wanna do here is click on this option here. As you can see, it's called force stop. After that, go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. And then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger like this and click on update from here if you found it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.